The alternator is down here. It's not as difficult to replace as it looks. So we don't damage anything, let's firstly disconnect the battery. The fan cowling needs removing. It has 2 release tabs securing it on both sides at the top. Remove the lower engine front cover, then unclip the fan wiring harness at the bottom left. The fan cowling can now be lowered out. This can be a little tricky. It gives much needed space to make room for the alternator to lower. The air conditioning pump now needs lowering, there's 13 millis. Before you remove the aircon pump, remove the inner wheel arch liner, and then remove auxiliary belt. Unclip the wiring harness before lowering. Now, the alternator multi-plug and main lead can be removed. There's a small 8 milli holding a bracket up there too. Now, there's an idler pulley that needs removing. Just pop off the cap and remove. Remove the 2 securing bolts. The alternator will be tight. So carefully bar it out and lower it to the bottom. Now it's out, we can compare it with the replacement. Now it's just a case of rebuilding in reverse order. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.